one day you're thinking to also live this life which I'm living. Well, anyone can live this life, but I can tell you, depending on what situation you have, how much money you have, where you're from, and what's your aim, it's not for everyone. But if you have money, and you're really making good money, then it's the easiest path. But how does it work? Well, you wire me like say $6,000 to $10,000. You open your company license, get the bank accounts, the residency, the ID, all within a few weeks. You have to come here 5 days. And then live anywhere in the world, operate it globally, receive the money tax-free, by crypto, wire transfer, Stripe, or Marmo payment, it doesn't matter. Pay it out again, transfer it, buy property, invest in yourself, family, health, future, no matter what. It's so easy, yeah? But if you're starting a company in your home country, such as Germany, UK, Sweden, Spain, Italy, Portugal, Netherlands, Belgium, Canada, USA, Brazil, don't do it. Open it here. Why? Because you get so many benefits. Because once you open it in your home country, you get stuck. And then you think, oh, I can't move to another place now, I got this company. And if you never open a company, especially in Germany, you put the papers, you don't know what you're paying, you get more papers, and then you pay more fees, more taxes, and then you regret it. So don't even start that. So people who already have the businesses already, they know how hard it is. If you already have the company, you can still make the change. You can keep it, or open another one, or close it and open the fresh one here. There's always solutions around it, and it's very easy and convenient. And that's why so many people are moving it. Just a few days ago, we had one inquiry, was a friend actually. They're doing forex trading. They're, I think, 7. So they're planning to do it with us. We'll see. They're from UK. Some of them are, I think, Turkish, British, and they're going to start it. So they get the residency, the ID, the personal bank account, and the company license. Even they don't have to do any turnover or profit with the company. They don't even need the corporate bank account. They can do the forex trading personally with a personal bank account. That's just, I think it's 6 or 7 people from one. That's one inquiry. So that's just me or us. Now imagine how many other consultancies are here in the business, or probably seen several other people who are promoting this. But I'm not actually promoting it. I'm talking about things are possible. You can change your life. I'm trying to motivate you as well. And of course I want to make money as well. And on a Sunday, it's 2 p.m. This is my 5th video now. 5th video I'm doing on my personal channel. So I have my unscripted channel, and I have my Emirates Business Setup channel, where it's more like, say, business and podcasts and stuff like this. So this is the unscripted one. But I can tell you, it's never too late if you're really thinking to open the company. Now imagine you do marketing, yeah? You're making, say, $200,000 US. I used to do in the jet ski with a $200,000 US profit. Now think about this. I'll break it down. So you're giving probably maybe 40-50% away. That's like $100,000. Now imagine you give me $10,000 for the opening. We'll leave you with $190,000. Then every year you have a license. You give it a maximum of $5,000. Yeah. That leaves you with $185,000. That's for the first year. And the accounting, depending on how many transactions you're doing, maybe only 10 transactions you do consultancy or so, it's maybe about, say, $2,000, $3,000. That's maximum actually for the accounting per year. So what's that? 182,000. Okay, flight accommodation when you're coming here, give another 2,000. So say 20,000 for the first year. But that's maximum. That's with the full setup. That's with the accounting, with a lot of transactions, and that's already the renewal license for the end of the year for another year. That's when you're making, say, 200,000. So even making 100,000 minus But if you're paying in your home country 40, 50% or 30% tax, how much are you giving away? It's 50% of that. So if it's 200,000, you give 100,000 away. So if you have that amount of say 10 to 20,000, you're left with 80,000 more in your pocket. So what can you do with that? You can buy property, invest in your future, your lifestyle, your freedom, your family, your health. There's so many ways you can use that money for a better cause than giving this money away to some country, some government. What do they do with it? They take it, dump it in the water. You don't know what they're doing with that. So if you need to find out more, book the free consultation with myself. It's still free, and I'm trying to help you here. Or come into our school community. It's also free. That's just started, so it's growing. I think we only have 20 members so far. I haven't marketed that much. And you can also WhatsApp us. They have the WhatsApp number there. So if you need to, or you want to watch any video about myself, comment below also what you like to see. If you have any questions, because the views and the comments, and if you're sharing this video, subscribing to your channel, this will help me to reach more people. I didn't know these things existed 5 years ago when I was coming here, and I did everything myself. I made a lot of experiences. I made a lot of I lost a lot of time and money as well. But without these things or these issues I had, and I wouldn't have known what to do. So all this experience I'm giving you for free, actually, the value, the calls you can do with me, the information I'm giving out to you, the school community. So it's free value, which cost me not just $10,000. It's hundreds of $100,000, because also in my other video I was talking about my office and employees I had, which a lot of things cost me a lot of time. I put a lot of money and energy and time into something which actually didn't really get the results out which I hoped for. So I've learned a lot to how to really operate things, and to not to lose the time, but to be more flexible, give myself more freedom, make more money, and help more people.